Today, I'll show you how to assign different points to answers in Google Forms. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In standard Google Forms, points are mainly assigned through quiz mode, and the normal built-in setup gives points to the correct answer for a question, not a separate custom score for every answer choice the way some survey tools do. Google's official help says you can turn a form into a quiz, open the answer key, choose the correct answer, and set how many points that question is worth. Google also says answer keys are available for question types like short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, dropdown, and grid questions. So let's start with the standard method. Open your Google form, go to the Settings tab, and turn on Make This a Quiz. Then go back to your questions and click the one you want to score. At the bottom of the question, click Answer Key. From there, select the correct answer or answers, and in the top right of that, question. Enter the number of points you want that question to be worth. Google says, this is the built-in way to assign points in a Google Forms quiz. Now here's the key limitation. If your goal is something like answer A equals 1 point, answer B equals 2 points, answer C equals 3 points, and answer D equals 4 points. Google Forms does not normally offer that as a simple built-in multiple-choice scoring system. The standard quiz feature is really designed around correct and incorrect answers, not weighted scoring for every option in one question. That limitation is reflected in Google's official quiz help, which focuses on choosing correct answers and setting question points. There is, however, a workaround for some ranking or matrix-style forms. Google support pages and community guidance indicate that multiple choice grid and checkbox grid questions can sometimes be used to assign scoring by row in the answer key. So if your form is more like a ranking, matching, or structured assessment, grid questions may give you more flexibility than normal multiple choice. If you need true weighted scoring for each answer option in a regular survey-style form, the practical solution is usually to use a third-party add-on or calculate the score later in Google Sheets after responses are submitted. Google Forms itself handles standard quiz scoring well, but custom point values per option are more limited. That's the main thing to remember before you build the form. And that's how to assign different points to answers in Google Forms. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.